Welcome in, everybody. Welcome. I'm Tyson. Gather around. Let's all join in because today is Monday and we have an unboxing for you. So check out this new shirt. Hit that subscribe, that thumbs up, that bell. If you like beard content, you're in the right place. We got beard content. We got reviews, styling, tips, tricks, everything in between. I'm fresh off a skydive. I'm still alive. And I'm here for you guys to get this week kicked off with a newer company that I want to show you guys, and we're going to do it right after this. Alright, so thank you for that. We got a new week coming. I'm going to give an initial FRS, and I'm going to try these products all week long. So you're wondering who it is, right? You're wondering what company is Faithfully Bearded reviewing this week. Well, let me show you a company called Gents in this nice brown box. It's a big box. I wonder what's all in here. And to find out, we're gonna grab, oh man, where's my knife? We're gonna grab my knife. I found it. We're gonna slice right into this child-proof box. Child-proof tape. He's got labeled tape going across. This is pretty cool. Don't slice a thumb off. Never want to slice a thumb off. I made it through skydiving. I can't have a knife accident. Check this out. Whoa, look what we got here. I guess I'm changing hats. Because look at this. We got a Gents hat to start the week off with. So we're going to have a nice little snapback hat here to start the week. Something smells good. I smell peppermint or something in between there. So the next thing we have here is just a receipt, I believe. Absolutely. Little receipt. Then we got some oils here. So let's just undress this gal. See what we have. Oh man. We have childproof paper. We got childproof bubble wrap, everybody. Childproof. I struggle with this bubble wrap. I don't know what it is. Alright, so we got that one out. Aubrey Chores. We have another one. Aubrey Chores. We have another one. Aubrey Chores. These might be my chores. Ooh, I think that went down my shirt. We have another one coming here. Oh, this one's childproof too. Some of these are childproof, some aren't. Guess it just depended on... Ooh, I like that. Look at that one. That bottle. We'll show you that one here in a second. And then we have another one. Man, we hit the jackpot with Gents. My goodness. Goodness me, as Aubrey would say. Good gracious. Good night. Oh my gosh. So let me just set this down to the side here. I want to show you a couple things. A couple more things in here. We have a card. Check that out. A Gents card. Wow, he's got a YouTube channel. He's got an Instagram, a Facebook, and a YouTube channel. And then we got the logo here. Check out that sticker that's coming with it. Boom. Gents. Alright, so we have a bunch of oils here. I got 5 oils. And the first thing I noticed is they all have this white label like this. So you got a amber bottle, a white label, and you got their logo on it. And so what I'm looking at here is Sir Woody. And I see ingredients, which is grapeseed oil and avocado oil. And we got Sir Woody. So let's see what this smells like. I bet it's going to smell woody. Let's find out. We give it a shakeroo. Get that sniffer ready. Alright, so I get Sir Woody. Seems like there's citrus or something in here. It smells pine. I think I get some pine out of it. We're going to say it's pine. We're going to find out. We're going to find out this week. The next one we have is the Grande. The Grande. This has to be coffee, right? This has to be coffee. Now this one's jojoba oil and sweet almond oil. So it looks like we have a couple different carrier blends. This is not coffee. The Grande. Maybe I'm saying it wrong. I don't know. But this is mint. This is like a peppermint scent to me right off the bat. Then we have Dawn Citrus. This one's jojoba oil and Moroccan argan oil. Give it a shakeroo. Get the sniffer ready. Sniff, sniff, snifferoo. We're going to sniff this one out. Holy moly. That is some citrus. Wow. What is that? It's like I'm smelling the orange peel. I'm taking and scraping the orange peel and putting it right up on my nose. This is citrus if you've ever smelled citrus. This is like getting orange juice, just squeezing the orange, and holy moly. That is crazy. That is crazy. I'm excited to see how long that lasts. And then we go to this craziness right here. So this one is called the Night Pirate. And this is hemp seed and jojoba oil. And you have like a clear bottle, but then it turns to like purple at the bottom. So it's like clear down here. And as you can see on the camera, it's like yellow now because of the oil. But like it's like clear and then it turns to purple. You got a white dropper on here. So this looks pretty cool. I like it. It says to use it before bed. I believe this has like essential oils in it that are supposed to help you sleep. There's something familiar in there, but I don't get it. But I can definitely see this as a lavender? Lavender. Yeah, that's lavender. There's got to be lavender in there. And then we have this guy right here, which is called Mr. Cool. And I believe this is the new one that he just came out with, Mr. Cool. And this is black castor oil, coconut oil, almond oil, jojoba oil. I already like the carrier blend on this one. I like it. So we gave it a shakeroo. Wow, this is fresh and clean. This is like, I can't even pinpoint it. I don't know for sure. It's like an ocean breeze type scent. Tropical, that's for sure. Tropical. We'll sum it up with tropical. Tropical. Let's see what else we have in this box here. We have this right here. Unscented beard balm. What? Beeswax, shea butter, argan oil, almond oil, jojoba oil. Unscented with a twist top lid, just the way I like. I got a little bit of the beeswax scent, nothing major. Seems like a medium consistency to get out of there. A little gritty, but nothing bad. I mean, realistically, grit doesn't bother me. I don't really care. It emulsifies in my hand. I'm going to mix my hands together anyway, so it just doesn't bother me. I don't know. What else do we have in this childproof box here? We have a activated charcoal with tea tree bar soap. What? I always need bar soap, so I'm excited for that. We have Aubrey chores, more Aubrey chores, and then we got this. Whoa, we got a shirt or something here. That's right. That's right. We got a shirt. Check out the back. Boom. So that's pretty cool, Jay. Thank you very much. So all that's left to do is try out all this stuff. I'm going to be going with unscented balm. And I don't remember if I picked that or if he just sent that to me. But I actually like this combination because I can wear whatever scent I want and only have one balm to go with it. So I get to test his feel of his balm, but still get the scent from the oil. So I actually really appreciate that. So all that's left to do now is try these products out, give them an initial FRS rating, and then dig in to testing this week and have a follow-up review on Friday and give you the final FRS score for what I am going to think about Jay and Beard Gents. So based on what I know right here, what I've seen on Instagram, I haven't even been to the website, so I'm going to go right off the top of my head, and I'm going to say 7.5. I'm saying 7.5 because I'm a little interested in why there's a bunch of different carrier blends. I'm interested to know if there is balms to match every oil or a butter or anything like that. And again, I don't really know because I just opened this box. So I'm going to have to dig in, get all the info this week for you guys, and then let you know on Friday and update that 7.5 FRS score to something a little bit different. I have a feeling it might go up, but we got to feel these oils on the beard and see how everything holds up throughout the week. So until I talk to you guys again soon, grab your coffee, grab your bang. I haven't had coffee. I don't know what my deal is right now. Stroke your Mr. Cool Man mane. And I'll see you guys on Friday. God bless you all.